Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh. Room 2110, what I come here for. I wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words. Well, it's not your best presentation. I know you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. When you said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear who you were before was just a mask you wore. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, oh. I didn't care it was your birthday, because for me it was the worst day. Whoa. I didn't care it was your birthday, because for me it was the worst day. Whoa. Text me when you get here. You made it so clear who you were before was just a mask you wore. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, no, no, no. Whoa, no, no, no. Whoa, hey, all the time, all the time.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you of New York City. Oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. In the madness, wherever I may be, love is something you two make me believe. A basement in Brooklyn, the first day I met her. I could see it in your face, she was all that you need. I knew from the moment she was begging you to just sing, she'd be my sister, and she would be your everything. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Yeah, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. 'Cause love is something you two make me believe.
Maybe I am too straightforward person, and you can tell it's crossing the line. Crossing the line. Do your thing and don't mind my thing. Take the real thing in your story, please. Pardon me. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy. So pardon me, pardon, 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 pardon. I don't care about good or bad, even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add. You could be sad about it, but I can live without it. Too sad that you don't. Pardon me. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy. So pardon me, pardon, 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 I didn't mean it that way. Don't take it in a bad way. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy. Pardon me.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my